Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I guess you wonder where I've been. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe, like, and stay a while because we post all girly things: hair, skin, nails, makeup, self-improvement, self-love, self-care, anything girly we post on this channel. You already know. As you can see by the title, I'm so excited to talk to you guys today because I feel like it's been a while since I sat down and talked to you guys, even though it's been like a week. But that's still a long time. Lately, I've been wanting to just sit down and record and talk to you guys like every other day. So that's why it feels like it's so long, even though it's only been a week. And that's usually what I do. I don't know. I'm in my feelings and I want to record more and I want to talk to you guys more. So you guys have any video recommendations, any videos you want me to do, any topics you want me to talk about, literally help you with all of that because like I've been there, done that. Today is Mask Monday. My favorite day of the week. Also, your favorite day of the week. I know you guys love Mask Mondays. Don't lie to me. Now, first of all, do you see my hair right now? I literally have no products in. I was so scared to see my hair without any product because I'm like, I've been taking care of it. So if it does me dirty, I'm gonna be so upset and disappointed because I've been taking care of my hair. I've been here every Monday for like the past 2 or 3 months. I don't even know, probably 2 months, but like I've been consistent, have not missed one Mask Monday. So I'm like, so when it dried and I see my curls like this, I was like, do you guys see the definition? Like I got some curls. Don't mind that, that's makeup. Look at the bottom of my hair. Like, do you see these curls? Juicy, defined, curly, because we take care of our hair on this side, okay? If you want your hair to look good without any products, deep condition right now. Grab your deep conditioner right now and let's get to it. Okay, so now that my hair is safe to leave without any products, we're gonna do that with this mask. I'm gonna put this mask on, we're gonna let it do its thing, and then I'm gonna just let my hair air dry with no products so we can see the before and after. So take a good look of the before. God, is that real? So that's the before without any deep conditioning, without any hair mask, without any treatments. So this is the before, you guys see. We'll see what the after looks like after we deep condition and we let my hair air dry. So let's see product info. What is this mask supposed to do to our hair, to our beautiful curls? Okay, I'm acting unusual today, sorry, I'm just being myself. It's ultra conditioning, which means hydrating, detangling, strength repair. So it's going to repair, detangle, and ultra condition. We're going to see. And it's a 5-minute liquid mask. I'm literally going to leave it for 5 minutes. I'm not even joking. Like when it comes to like protein and bonding treatments, I do not play. I'm not leaving it more than what the mask says to leave it because if you leave it on for too long, we can cause a little damage. I don't want to do that. So this is 5 minutes and we're going to do 5 minutes, okay? Product info for that was very easy, very straightforward and straight to the point. So now we're going to wet our hair so we can apply the mask. I hope you guys don't think I look scary today because I don't have any lashes on. I'm taking a lash break, so get used to it. Anyways, let's wet this hair. You see what I mean when I say I could talk? If only you guys knew how long these videos are, and I'd be shortening the heck out of them. They'd be like way too long. They'd be like 40 minutes long. And I'd be like, girl, 10 minutes, 15 minutes. Like, all right. Do you see what I mean? You see what I mean? I'm going to section up my hair since my hair is like completely dry. So we're just going to section up our hair. Is that REDKEN? I swear that there's a list of places that I've been with you. I want to go without you just so I can know it. Look how long my hair is. Hang time? Let's do a smell test. This smells so good. I love it. Okay, this is very liquidy. Okay, first of all, I'm not even joking. This literally glided right through, like my knots disappeared. First of all, my hair feels instantly soft. Like my hair feels so soft already, like immediately. That's insane. Oh my goodness. Okay, I need to hurry up. I need to hurry up. I'm gonna do the rest of my hair because I do not want to let this sit for too long. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do.
What it's like to be there without having to argue. Swear I didn't have the discipline to leave your ass at home. You make it hard to. This life would take a lot of listening to one another. Shouldn't have involved you. I know, not you, not you. Leave you at home if I wanna have a good night. Leave you at home if I wanna have a good time. Peace of mind. Good time, peace of mind. Good time, peace of mind.
The difference?
Good time, peace of mind. Good time, peace of mind. Good time, peace of mind. I swear that there's a list of places that I've been with you. I wanna go without you, just so I can know what it's like to be there without having to argue. Swear I didn't have the discipline.
Okay, you guys see these knots? We're gonna detangle them right now. Watch. Watch how this works magic. Not gonna use a brush. I'm just gonna apply the product. Not gonna use a brush so you can see. So you guys can see how well this detangles. Literally gone. Literally, I'm just gonna brush it through so to make sure every hair strand got some of this. Okay, I know I say every mask is my favorite, but like this one right here, I know is gonna be the best one. I just can't wait for my hair to dry because I just know. You know when you know like a product is working very well on your hair? This is it for me. So let's see if I am right. We will see. We will see at the end of this video if my predictions were right, because I feel like this is going to be the best mask for me so far. So we'll see. All right, so I'm going to tie it up. Make sure to never tuck your ends, especially when wet, because that can cause a lot of breakage. I'm just going to tie it with a hair tie. I'm going to leave the ends out because we don't want to cause more breakage. I got a new bonnet. I don't have, it's not new, but we're going to use a new one today. And I look like a lunch lady, but all right, so I'm gonna let this sit in for 5 minutes, literally 5 minutes. Hey Siri, put a timer for 5 minutes. Don't go anywhere. Don't go anywhere. And I hope you've been deep conditioning with me this whole time, because if you haven't, go wash your hair right now and grab your deep conditioner and deep condition. Play the video back and deep condition with me. I'm back. As you can see, my hair is wrapped up in a t-shirt, a 100% cotton t-shirt. If you're using a regular towel to dry your hair, please stop right now because you're causing so much frizz. If you suffer from frizz, especially if you suffer from frizz, do not use a regular towel to dry your hair or wrap up your hair in a regular towel because that causes so much frizz. You need a 100% cotton t-shirt or a microfiber t-shirt to reduce frizz. Fun fact. I want to let you guys know a couple things that I've noticed already. Number one, my hair smells amazing. My hair smells delicious. Like, it smells like a perfume that I would wear, or like a lotion I'd wear every day, all day. It literally smells so good. Second of all, when I was rinsing off this treatment, my hair felt super soft. Like, it's just so soft. My hair has never felt this soft after a hair mask. Like, my hair usually does feel soft after a hair mask, but not this soft. This is like ultra soft. What did the mask say? The mask says that it's ultra conditioning, and for sure it's ultra conditioning. Detangling, definitely detangling, definitely detangled. Now, strength repair, I'm not sure. We'll have to see when my hair is fully air dried. So we'll revisit that one when my hair is fully dry. But so far, so good. My hair looks amazing. Looks super shiny. It just, I can't get over how soft my hair is right now. Like, I can already tell my hair's gonna dry up juicy and beautiful. But I don't know. We don't know. We just don't know. It can look so good right now. It could feel so soft. It can smell so good. But we don't know if it actually strengthened or repaired our hair until it's dry. If you watch my Mask Monday videos all the time, every week. You know that. I usually go in with like a light leave-in and then let my hair air dry. But this time, we're just going to let it air dry with no hair products at all. And I'm going to do that with every hair mask going forward because I feel like that's more accurate. I don't know why I set myself up and wait till it's like 12 a.m. to do these masks because it's literally like 12:30 a.m. right now. So that means I have to wait till it's like 3 a.m. to come back and show you guys. We'll be back whenever my hair air dries. Don't go anywhere. And if you haven't deep conditioned, grab that deep conditioner, girl. Like, what are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? Make sure you shampoo and condition, or just shampoo, whatever you desire. Grab that deep conditioner and deep condition. And if you already deep conditioned with me, welcome to Mask Mondays. We're baddies who deep condition together, stay together, and look good together. Because I just want our curls to look good together. So when we go out, we're like, wow, I just did that and I smell the mask. It smells amazing. Anyways, I'll be back. Do I have to say anything? Do I have to say anything? Like, first of all, do you guys see these juicy little bangs? I thought my bangs were too long. They're still long, but like they tightened up a lot more. My curls, the fact that this is my curls with no products, just a deep conditioner, is absolutely insane. I literally used this mask, rinsed it off, and just let my hair air dry with zero products in my hair. Like, I'm literally amazed. I'm literally amazed. There's no products in my hair right now. Look at these curls. Do you guys remember my before? Now look at the after. Look at these juicy, shiny, defined, and tight curls.
I'm in love. I'm obsessed. And I don't even feel guilty about it. I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed.
I'm literally obsessed. I haven't even fluffed up my hair because, like, for what? For what? I wanted to show you guys, like, these curls before I even touch them. Look at these curls. Let's fluff it up a little bit. Would I walk out my house like this? Yes. Would I go run errands like this? Yes. My curls look so healthy. I love my curls. I'm so grateful for my curls. Thank you, God, for my curls. Thank you, God, for blessing me with these beautiful curls. And this amazing mask because... And it's also like 3 in the morning. And I was like, I need to make this. I had to wait for my hair to dry so I can show you guys. So if you're watching this, please like and comment because this is some dedication right now. So, did it do what I said it was supposed to do? Ultra conditioning? Yes. Detangling? Yes. You guys saw how easy it was for my hair to detangle. You guys saw those knots. I had some knots in my hair. I literally put this mask on and it just glided smoothly through. So yes. Did it strengthen and repair? That's really what we were waiting for, the strengthen and repair part. You couldn't tell when the hair was wet, but now that it's dry, it definitely strengthened and repaired. Like, this mask literally did everything it said it was gonna do and more. Like, look at these curls. Like, please, please, please deep condition every Monday with me. Please. I don't do these videos for no reason. I don't. I do them for a good reason because of this. Like, come on, take care of your curls with me. Let's do this together. Like, join me on this curly hair journey. If you just started your curly hair journey, like, welcome. I'm here to help. Love you. Virtual hug. Like, if you're watching my videos and you're not deep conditioning with me, what are you waiting for? Like, do you not want healthy, long, and beautiful and shiny hair? Do you not want beautiful hair? Do you not want juicy, defined, voluminous, long, juicy curls? Like, what are you waiting for? Please deep condition with me. I don't do this for no reason. If you have any questions about hair, curly hair, comment them down below in the comments and I'll answer them for you guys. I'm literally tired. I can't even talk no more. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. If you guys tune in every Monday, I literally love you. And I'm so proud of you. And I hope that you're deep conditioning while you're watching these, because if you are, I'm proud of you. And if you're working on it, I'm still proud of you. Thank you so much for watching my video. Make sure you like, comment any questions you may have, and let me know, have you tried any REDKEN products? Because this was my first time trying them and I'm obsessed. Now I'm going to try more of their products. I don't know. Also, can you guys please help me with the mask? Like, I chose this mask by myself, but like, if you guys have any brands that you want me to try for next Mask Monday, please comment them down below and I'll get to them and I'll try them. So if you have any suggestions, leave them in the comments below. I'll try them for you guys. Bye, I love you.